Okay, today we're going to be looking at regrouping to subtract mixed numbers. We have our first example, which is 4 3/10 minus 3 3/5. So what we're going to want to do is make common denominators. So we're going to make this into 6/10, and we're going to keep this as 4 3/10. Now we see that we cannot subtract 3 from 6, so what we're going to do is we're going to borrow from the 4 and make it a 3. And because we borrowed, we're going to add 10/10 to the end. And what this new fraction becomes is 3 13/10. Then we'll subtract. And what we see is we do 13 minus 6, and we get 7. We keep the same denominator, and 3 minus 3 is 0. We don't have to put the 0, so our final answer is 7/10. In our second example, you'll see that we only have a whole number. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, oh, we really have 6 and 0/3. Now we see that we can't subtract 0 from 2, so we will borrow, and we'll make that a 5. And because we borrowed, we can add a whole number, but in terms of a fraction, 3/3. So now we have 5 3/3 minus 2 2/3. Now that's a problem that we can do. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 3 from 2. We get 1. We keep the same denominator, and then we subtract 5 minus 2, and we get 3. So there you are. We have subtracted mixed numbers by regrouping.